to my video. I hope you guys had an awesome holiday season. I had a really good time. I spent a lot of time with my family and some friends. I baked a lot of cookies. If you follow me on Instagram, you might have seen that. Overall, a great time with my family this year compared to last year. I want to give a huge thanks for those who tuned in to watch my Vlogmas videos, and also another huge thanks if you're tuning in to watch this video. Today I'm going to talk about the gifts that I received for Christmas. Now, I've never filmed anything like this before. This is my first time filming my gifts. I've always wanted to do something like this, and because this year I filmed a Vlogmas, I felt it was appropriate to make a video like this, otherwise it would be just super random. I felt it was only right to show you what I got for Christmas this year. Also, really sorry if you guys hear any background noises during this video. Jamil's cooking in the kitchen, and yeah, I'm gonna try to do the best I can during editing with the audio, but yeah, I had to film right now because it's getting really late. I'm gonna start with the small gifts. First one being this game that our nephews gave us, and I'm actually excited to play this because Jamil and I have been talking about incorporating more card games or more board games into our collection, and just we want to grow our collection of card games and board games and stuff like that. One is called Things They Don't Teach You in School. So this is purely trivia. So this sounds fun. I'm excited to play this. My brother-in-law, thank you so much. This is a collection of coffee syrups. I guess it's like Friends themed. I'm actually not a fan of the show, but I do appreciate this. My sister already knows this. I think everyone in my family knows I'm not a huge fan of the show, but that's not important here. The important part is that I got a collection of syrups, and I'm really happy because these are in smaller size. Normally, when I get the hankering to make like a caramel macchiato, I don't like to buy the big syrup. I actually don't buy it at all because they're so big, and this is great because they are a little smaller, and it's a collection of 6 flavors. So this is cool. It's really cool. My sister-in-law gave me this slicer, and I'm really excited to use this because I need something like this in my kitchen. If you guys are not aware by now, I suffer from carpal tunnel. Carpal tunnel, and I sometimes have issues with slicing vegetables, and it just hurts my hand a lot. So anything to make my life easier and put less stress on my wrists or my hands, I am all for it, and this is such a nice gift. I also got this really soft blanket from my mom. It's so cute. I love the red and the black. I love the holiday print. This is so soft and warm. I love a nice blanket. And she also gave me a Chantel lipstick. She's so sweet. This is in the color, what color is this? It's 98 Instinct, and it's like a red color. I don't have red lipstick, so this will be my first red lipstick in a very long time. Yeah, I really like Chanel lip products, the Chanel makeup. I got another Chanel gift. I got a perfume gift set from Jamil. We love giving each other fragrances. He gifted me the Coco Mademoiselle gift set, the one that comes with the 3.4 ounce bottle, and it also includes this super cute travel container. This is so nice and sleek. I'm gonna try to get close. All you have to do is twist, and you can spray perfume, and to replace the refill you just have to pop it out. So that's what it looks like. It has the CC. So pretty. I love the gold. It's so like sleek and so pretty, so fancy. I just love Chanel fragrances. Super cute. I am so excited to use this for when I go on vacation next year, and I just love this smell. I adore Chanel fragrances. They're some of my favorite fragrances, and this one just I needed this one in my collection, and he knew that, so he got me this gift. I was also gifted a book. This is titled 12 and a Half, written by Gary Vaynerchuk. I hope I'm saying that correctly. My brother gave me this book. I don't know exactly what it's about. I just read like the cover and the back, and all I know is that it's business related, so any business related book I'm down to read. I was given an amazing gift by my dear brother and my sister-in-law. I got a Salmoron handbag, which was a total surprise to me. I was not expecting this. Apparently Jamil knew about it. He kept it a secret, as he should, and I'm really happy that I received this. I want to show you because I'm so excited. I don't know the name of this bag. All I know is that it's like a camera bag. It's kind of like a camera bag. What's wrong with me? I should know the name of this bag. I should know at the top of my head, but I don't. I got this beautiful, beautiful YSL caviar leather. I believe it's caviar leather purse with, guys, I'm literally the worst. I don't know the name of this bag. I will, once I'm done recording, I'm going to put the name and the link as where to find it and all that jazz, but I don't know the name of it. It's a little bag. I don't have a bag this small besides my Chanel mini. Oh, I just almost whipped myself with the chain here. It's so beautiful. I needed a bag like this. It's like he knew, like, she needs a little bag. I do need a little bag. I need a little bag that I can take with me on grocery trip or something last minute, or even like getting my pedicure, or somewhere where I don't need to carry a lot of things. This is perfect. This is a great addition to my collection. I am so grateful that I was gifted this bag. It is so beautiful. I love the smell. I love the smell of leather. This is just gorgeous, and it's very spacious. Now, let me know if you guys want me to do a review video on this bag. So, my brother is one of those people that when they give something, they also include a gift receipt, which I feel like not a lot of people do that. I feel like not a lot of people do that, and he's one of the very few people that does that. So, he did include the gift receipt. Now, I was thinking about exchanging it for another color, but now I'm not so sure. I'm really starting to like the black. I just feel like I have too much black, and I already have a cape bag and it's black from YSL, and I don't know. I don't know if I want to change it. I might keep it, but I'm definitely getting the same bag. If I do exchange it, it will definitely be the same bag, and it's just going to be a different color. But honestly, guys, the way I feel right now during the filming of this video, I'm really in love with the bag. Even though I have a lot of black purses in my collection, this one is just so cute, and I don't know, the color already grew on me. I'm just a sucker for black. Yeah, the chain is so nice, and yeah, I don't want to make this into a review video, but yeah, I just wanted to quickly show you guys what I got. And this is the majority of the gifts that I got this year. I'm super grateful, very thankful. Let me know what you guys received for Christmas or Hanukkah or any other holiday. Let me know. I want to know what you guys got. Any fun activities that you did with your family. Did you travel? Let me know. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and I'll see you in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.